you probably have that same feeling right now. If you don't eat cholesterol, it's going to be a good thing for you. So therefore, you're probably not having a tub of lard in front of you and scooping out the lard and eating the lard. You're not doing that. Yeah, I know you do that. And the reason you have that feeling is because we all know that lard is full of cholesterol. You're happy with eating a bar of margarine. Well, but you are, because you put that margarine into everything you eat. You eat a large amount of margarine, right? Because you put it in toast, and you might bake a loaf of bread. You're putting stuff in there that has the same caloric value as the fat in the margarine. You're choosing the margarine because it is healthier for you. And you may not know why it's healthier for you because there's a loss there or something. But it's because, well, there's several things there, but it's healthier for you because it does not contain, if you think this, because it does not contain cholesterol, because it drives plants. All right, you got those bits together. All right, now Procter & Gamble, you're familiar with them? They're sort of, all right, okay, they figured out in the 1940s how to convert vegetable oil into margarine, all right? They sort of invented this process. Okay? And the process, the word you were looking for earlier is hydrogenation, all right? Yeah, no, it's not hydrolysis, it's hydrogenation. And hydrogenation, all you do is you bubble hydrogen gas in the presence of a catalyst through your liquid oil, and the hydrogen reacts to double bonds to get rid of double bonds and single bonds in. All right? So it converts a liquid, an unsaturated fat, into a saturated fat, which is our margarine. It's solid at room temperature. Right? But it doesn't have any of the cholesterol in it because it's derived from corn oil. And, all right, what do you have to do to get butter?
Churn it.
People.
Churn it.
Well, all right. You have
Separate
to buy a cow.
the curds.
You have to let a cow graze on a large number of acres of land. Okay. You have to wait years. You have to impregnate your cow. You have to let it then nurse, or well, I don't know how to do this. Probably with hormones nowadays. Who knows how to do cows? But all right. So there's a lot of process involved, and it's insanely expensive because only a little bit of the buttercream. Well, I got to tell you about when I lived in England. We lived in an apartment in London, and the milkman would come around and deliver us pints, which are 20-ounce pints, by the way. In the order of pint of England, and it's a lot bigger than an American pint. Like, the glass containers, pint-sized glass containers with a little paper top on the top, with milk, right? With milk, and they don't believe in homogenization in Europe, right? So the milk had the cream, and British dairy cattle are awesome. They make the richest, creamiest milk imaginable. And I was always the first one up in the morning, which means that I'm the one who brought in the little tray of these pints, and I got to have my cereal with cream. And well, that's why probably my cholesterol is high, and I have to take a Lipitor now. We'll talk about Lipitor later on. But it was really tasty stuff. So, you know, the thing is that only a small fraction of milk becomes the butter, so therefore butter is very, very expensive to produce. Right? If you go to the store and you compare the price of margarine with the price of butter, the price differential is less than a factor of 2. All right? Now, the price of margarine is pretty high. In a sense, it's pretty high. But because it's a lot less than the price of butter, people are going to be more inclined to buy the margarine. Right?
Certainly.
It is less expensive than the butter. But the cost of producing the margarine, the amount of acreage that you can convert into butter, margarine, compared to the amount of acreage you can convert into butter, is hugely different. Cows are really hard on an acre of land, whereas corn, it doesn't take much corn to produce a lot of corn oil, all of which, all right, so the thing is that the actual cost of producing a pound of margarine is less than a penny, all right. It's going to cost you $1.50 to buy that same pound of margarine. It's going to cost you $2.50 to buy a pound of butter, or something like that. So where's the profit margin? Who makes the money on our desire to consume fat. Procter & Gamble and other companies, they actually didn't invent margarine, they invented Crisco, okay, which was but what they were trying to produce was an alternative way to make biscuits, which are more healthful for you. But along the way, they realized that if you add a little water to it, and a little yellow food coloring, which was, by the way, illegal for the first few years after they made the margarine, you had to add your own yellow food color to the margarine because the dairy industry had a very strong lobby. They wanted people to not buy this new product, which is going to be a lot less expensive, and therefore cut into the dairy people's profits. So, anyway, that's a more.
You said so much, you probably just.
Well, but the story's only half